2,500 years ago, the Persian Empire built the largest military power in the world. But what made this army different was not just its size. What made them unique was that they never disappeared. But was this even possible? Could an army truly exist without ever shrinking? And more importantly, could those soldiers still somehow exist today? In the 500s BC, the Persian army ruled one of the largest empires in history. Stretching from Greece to India, it was the peak of military organization. Persian soldiers were equipped with large shields, long spears, and deadly arrows. But what truly made them powerful was discipline and speed. While other armies moved in days-long marches, Persian cavalry could reach enemy lines within hours. The most remarkable unit of this army was known as the Immortals. Their number was always 10,000. When a soldier died, he was instantly replaced. Thanks to this system, the unit never fell below full strength. With golden armor, perfect uniforms, and flawless discipline, the Immortals were not just a military unit, but a symbol of imperial power. Over centuries, the Persian army began to change. This time, heavily armored cavalry appeared on the battlefield. Fully metal-clad warriors and armored horses became like moving walls on the battlefield. These units were so effective that even the Roman army struggled against Persian tactics. By the 1500s, the nature of war changed once again. Firearms became as important as swords. During the Safavid era, rifles and cannons became an essential part of the Persian army. Shah Abbas modernized the military and created a new system. Today, the Persian war tradition continues in a completely different form. Cavalry has been replaced by missile systems, archers by drone operators, and battlefields by digital fronts. Modern Iranian forces are no longer a classical imperial army, but their roots go back thousands of years. Persian soldiers have constantly changed throughout history, but they have never completely disappeared. This raises an important question. If ancient Persian warriors could see today's army, would they see it as an evolution? Or would they think their legacy has completely changed?